Hi friends, how are you doing today? This is Ramandeep Singh and you're watching YouTube channel IELTS Coaching। आप में से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट IELTS प्रिपरेशन में एक मॉड्यूल से बहुत परेशान हैं एंड दैट इज स्पीकिंग। नो डाउट रीडिंग भी बहुत स्टूडेंट्स को परेशान करता है, राइटिंग भी करता है, बट स्पीकिंग यू आर वॉरिड बिकॉज ये रियल टाइम होती है। एग्जामिनर के सामने आपको अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना रहता है एंड यू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ डाउट्स इन योर माइंड। पहली बात तो ये है कि यू रियली आर अनअवेयर ऑफ द टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स और द थिंग्स दैट यू रियली नीड टू टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन व्हेन you take the IELTS exam. For this, I have this video to share with you. Check out this link and you will get to know about all the tips and tricks that will really help you to achieve your desired bands. But apart from tips and tricks, how well you are prepared to respond to the examiner, how well you can answer the questions, how well you are prepared with all the topics. How will you ensure that? It's quite easy, isn't it? I'm there for you to help you in your IELTS preparation, and for that reason, I make these videos for you. I share videos of all the latest QCAT topics with you so that you can have relevant ideas for different QCAT topics and present yourself confidently in front of the examiner. But the thing is that, as you know, searching all the different QCATs on YouTube can be quite time consuming. At the same time, you have to invest around 5 to 7 minutes on each of my video. That's the reason why we have Speaking Booster electronic book. This book contains all the latest cue cards and the previous topics that still can be asked to you, and the most important cue card topics that are asked any time of the year. It's not important that they have to be there in the list, but the examiner may ask you these topics anytime. So you need to be well prepared with all the topics and their follow-ups along with the introductory questions. So now you don't have to invest time searching different cue cards on YouTube. All that you need to do is simply buy electronic book Speaking Booster and start preparing the speaking material. This book is good enough to prepare for the speaking module, and to have access to this book, you need less than 1 minute. All that you have to do is get onto the Google Play Store and download IELTS coaching application. And if you are an Apple user, download CLASSPLUS and enter ORG code, that is IELTS IELTS. Here at the bottom, you will see the option store where all my paid courses available, and here only you will find the electronic book Speaking Booster. Just by making the payment of 500 rupees, you can unlock this book and start studying immediately. So, isn't it amazing? Without waiting for the delivery or visiting the market to buy the book, you can get instant access of the Speaking Booster as soon as you make the payment. Now, mere having access to this book is not going to help you. Most students think that if they remember or cram the answers of all the cue cards, they are going to rock in the exam. But many students fail to perform well in the front of examiner and fail to talk fluently because they don't practice their speaking. For that, you really need to have a partner. If you have a partner, I highly recommend to go through at least 1 or 2 interviews with him or her. But in case you don't have a friend with whom you can practice English, I recommend you to buy our online course Lockdown Series. With that, you become a member of a WhatsApp group where you can find hundreds of other students who have purchased this course and looking for partners to practice their speaking. And here I would like to remind you that Speaking Booster is absolutely free with Lockdown Series course. So isn't it amazing? By purchasing Lockdown Series, which is a complete IELTS course, you get free Speaking Booster and WhatsApp group access where you can practice speaking with other students. Last but not least, in case you are not comfortable with any other student and you want interaction with a trainer, you want to be pinpointed where you are committing mistakes, you want feedback on improvement, and then we also have one-on-one training sessions for you. You can book us for one-on-one training where I will appoint an expert trainer for you. For one-on-one speaking sessions, you would be interviewed as in the real exam, followed by feedback on your performance and customized strategies that would help you to achieve your target score. That can be 6 or 7 or even 8. So all I would recommend is start practicing speaking today. You may use YouTube channel IELTS Coaching. You can buy Speaking Booster and start practicing on your own. You can buy Lockdown series and get Speaking Booster free of cost and access to WhatsApp group where you can interact with hundreds of other students for your speaking practice. And nevertheless, you also have the option to join us for one-on-one training. I hope you will definitely take my recommendations into consideration and start working on your speaking and will definitely achieve desired bands in the speaking module. So that's pretty much all from my side. Take care of yourself. Good luck for your IELTS exam. Bye-bye.